You want to try and put on that little sun beach, Dad?
You know, it's pretty dangerous.
Well, gotta have safety. Oh, shoot, that fits Dad pretty good.
Yeah. Safety first.
Oh, and we can't forget, Dad. Here. Yep, there you go. Now you look proper. Now you look proper.
Now let's go put the car cover on.
Yeah. Putting the car cover on, I turned the GoPro off, so just real gently. Thank you, Javelin. Do not fall. You're an expensive phone. Can't wait for wearing a helmet.
Well, safety first.
To put the car cover on?
Yeah. And sharp fan blade in there.
Get
I need some cut-proof gloves on.
logic. I feel like I'm robbing Dad of his job.
That fits that car good.
What?
Start turning over the spring hanger so don't go around the car. This new one's got grommets in it, so
True. Dad's seriously walking around with that helmet on. We're gonna have to get you one of those red, white, and blue ones, Dad.
Yeah.
Because then, you know, it'd match your shirt.
Yeah.
Of course, that helmet right there is probably as old as you. That came from Donnie on the north end, from Doug.
I mean, you could put your new helmet on.
And I could give Michael that little red one I got that's like for a child. That'd probably fit his little head. And we could all be walking around looking like a bunch of goofballs wearing helmets. Okay. I think that's plenty of stupidity for the day. At least I think so.